Let's get it. Drop the beat. All right.
It's time for this week's Spotlight LP. As you know, once a week it is time.
It's snowing outside. Late night. All right. Y'all ready? Streets seldomly paved, though curves glisten. See, we were taught, give the elderly praise. Look, learn, listen. The corner's a sketch pad and every song's different. It's all a complex ab where every storm's different. Clouds with mahogany lining, some born gifted. Proud what's revolving inside them reforms thinking. Community raised where every grown folk pitched in. There's too many ways to be a wrong route victim. Chalk slowly dissolves as raindrops patter soft. There's fun times, but sometimes we're at a loss. No simple design to reinforce and strengthen the mind will be destroyed if these temperatures climb. Take the calendar off the wall, it lengthens the time. So it seems, a poet's dreams, but tensions aside. Notice scenes gradually leave, fingerprints in the sky. An artist never finished, he put the pencils aside. Broken silence, open hydrants, trenches our lives and soaks inside us. And every sentence collides, the hope inspires us to be diligent lifesavers, not militant. Cause we still invent life changes. Just imagine if we traveled and visited nice neighbors. Imagine if no tragedy happened and life stayed good. Just imagine if people in general didn't speak through a window just to order Chinese. And if you don't love life, then why breathe? Yes, sure. On and on and on and on and on. Tone cut. I miss you, brother. Rest in peace, rest in power. You, rest in peace, rest in power. And everybody else, easy.